You say hi?
Hi.
Yeah? Alrighty, so on this episode today we're going to be buffing my brother's headlights on his 2001 Audi TT. It is the 225, it is stage 2 I believe, puts out some decent power for a 4-cylinder. He's been generous enough to let me borrow the car for the last couple months, I'd say, ever since my TT got hit. As most of you know, the MK2 TT that you that you saw on the channel. What's up, buddy?
You smell good.
Oh, thank you. As you guys know, the MK2 TT that you have seen on the channel, unfortunately was hit and totaled by an uninsured driver. So you guys won't be seeing that car on the channel anymore. Hopefully we can get something new. In the meantime, I'm hoping maybe another B5 S4, maybe an Avant. We'll see. We'll see how that works out. But let's just jump right into this video. It's going to be mostly time lapses, and if there's anything I do need to explain, I'll stop and explain that. So let's just get moving on it. Alrighty guys, so this is what the headlights look like now before I buff them out. They are very pitted. Who knows if this has ever been done on this car. It's about 200 miles short from 200,000 miles. So I'm going to start with a 600 grit sandpaper and probably move up to 1500, maybe 2000 grit. And this is what I'm using here. Same stuff I used to restore my buddy's bumper in the previous video. Got a 3-inch drill buffing kit. I got it on eBay, I think it was about 18 bucks. And there's my sandpaper, my water. So let's just get into it. Alrighty guys, so we're just gonna end up moving right to 1500 grit sandpaper. I didn't end up needing to put in as much work as I thought I did. It came out pretty easily, the pits that were there, so we're just gonna move right up to 1500. Alrighty guys, so these are completely wet sanded down with 1500 grit sandpaper. I'm going to try to see if the compound I have will remove the 1500 grit scratches. If not, then I'll jump up to 2000 grit and 3000 grit if necessary, but I believe what I have here will come out just fine. So I'll throw that up on a time lapse as well. Alrighty guys, so this is what it looks like with just the rubbing compound. I'm going to try to do this quick because I'm losing daylight, as you guys can see. It came out great so far. I'm just going to say, you guys, if you're more comfortable taping around the edges, you can go ahead and do that. I have plenty of space around the edges here to not worry about scuffing his paint. And if a little bit of polish or compound gets on there, no big deal, I'm going to wash it off anyways. And I'm thinking about maybe doing a paint correction on this car. So we're just gonna go right to the polishing now and see how it looks. Alrighty guys, so here's the finished product. Came out really nice. What I like to do is throw some wax on the lens after I'm done buffing it, but some people clear coat it. It's completely up to you. Obviously if you wax them, just keep up with it after some car washes or however you want to go about that, but I'm happy with this.